If you want to make hands-free calls on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, let's open up our settings. Now we gotta find our Google account and let's press All Services. Locate your search assistant and voice. Locate your Google Assistant. Locate your voice match and make sure to tap on the switch to enable it. So we need to enable our voice assistant. Let's press more, press I agree. Press more, I agree. Our Google is ready. Let's press next. Now we have to retrain the voice match model so it will perform better. Repeat those phrases. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Alright, let's press next. So now we can ask Google to perform a call. Hey Google, please call Bronislaw from my contacts.
I couldn't find a contact named Bronte. Did you mean someone else?
Alright, let's choose a contact. That'll be Helen. Hey Google, please call Helen from my contacts. Yep.
Would you like to call Helen?
Yes, call Helen.
Calling Helen.
Well, and basically that's how it works. Easy as that, and I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.